Hi, good afternoon, boys and girls. Today we're going to review our 2D shapes. 2D shapes, that means those flat shapes that we draw on paper. So let's go back and label all the shapes that I know you guys know, and we're going to count the vertices. Do you remember what the vertices are? Another word for vertices were points. So the points and the flat spaces, so the sides. So we're going to count the vertices and the sides and label and name our 2D shapes, because we're going to start doing an activity about 3D shapes. Okay, let's get started on the 2D shapes first. Okay, so over here, I hope you guys can see this. Move my board over. It is round and it goes completely around. I don't think you guys can see any sides to that. So it has no flat surfaces, no flat sides. So if you guessed we have no sides, 0, you're right. So we're going to write 0 sides, no sides. And then vertices. Do you see any points meeting? No, it's a complete circle. No vertices either. And we've made 2 more circles because it's a no-no. Okay, next one. It starts with an O. Oval. You got it. So our oval, it's like our circle. There are no sides and no vertices. So 0, 0. Nope, nope. Next one. This shape has, let's count, 1, 2, 3 sides. So let's fill that in. We have 3 sides. And now we're going to point to the corners or the vertices where the 2 sides meet. 1, 2, 3. So if you guessed, well, you didn't guess. If you knew it's 3 sides and 3 vertices, thumbs up for you. Okay, our next big shape here, our purple shape here, and it starts with an S. Square. You got it. We're going to count how many sides our square has. So we have 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides. 4 sides to our square. And now we're going to start counting our vertices. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to leave my finger here, because sometimes when I start counting someplace, if I'm counting a lot, maybe I forget where I started, and we don't want to over count our vertices. So we're going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm not going to count this one because my finger's still touching that side. So let's try that again. We start with 2 fingers here. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. So 4 sides and 4 vertices for a square. This shape here. That's not a square. They don't look the same. I'm glad you knew that. It's called a rectangle. So let's count how many sides to a rectangle. And I'm going to do the same thing for counting the sides now. So we have 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides. So that's 4 sides. And let's count how many vertices. We're starting up at the top corner. 1 vertice, 2 vertices, 3 vertices, 4 vertices. And I don't go back here because my finger already is telling me I counted that. So 4 and 4. So our rectangle and square both have 4 vertices each. What's the difference between a square and a rectangle? If they are matching 4 vertices and 4 sides, what's the difference? Why is this a square and this a rectangle? Why don't we call that a square? I heard you. You said a rectangle has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. And a square has? You're right. It has. All its sides are equal. That means they are exactly the same length. They're all the same length. Thumbs up. I heard your answers. Great job. Okay, next we have let's count the sides first. Maybe that'll give us a clue of what it's called. Let's start over here. I'm going to start here and count this side. So we're going to go 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side, 5 side, 6 side. Not going to count this side again because I already did. 6 sides. 6 sides. What shape does that look like? I bet you guessed a stop sign, and you're right. Stop signs have 6 sides, and they are called a hexagon. And we've got it right in here. Okay, let's count the vertices now. We'll start here. 1 vertice, 2 vertice, 3 vertice, 4 vertice, 5 vertice, 6 vertices. The same number of sides. I think there's a pattern starting here. Okay, our next shape kind of looks like a house. So let's count how many sides it has. 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides. So it has 1 fewer side than a hexagon. Let's count the vertices. 1 vertice, 2 vertice, 3 vertice, 4 vertice, 5 vertice. 5 vertices. And this is called you got it, a pentagon, because it has 5. And our last one has 2 names. The easy name is called you got it, started with a D, diamond. But the more traditional name, the math name, it's called a rhombus. This looks interesting. Let's count the sides and vertices. Let's start with the sides. 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 sides. And let's go vertices. You knew it was coming next. 1 vertice, 2 vertices, 3 vertices, 4 vertices. So we have 4 vertices, 4 sides on the diamond. Or let's call it a rhombus. Great job. Okay, boys and girls, so this is just the review for our shapes. And remember, these are 2D flat shapes that you can draw with paper, cut it out, find around your home. So let's I'll leave going for a scavenger hunt to find these shapes for you. After, we're going to create a new game with the 3D shapes. We'll get to that soon. Anyway, that's all for now, our review. Hope you had fun, and we'll talk again very soon. Bye-bye.